Restore your hair with PRP therapy. What is PRP therapy? Platelets-rich plasma. PRP therapy is a three-step treatment in which someone's blood is sapped, processed, and inserted into the skull. PRP therapy uses shots of a concentration of a patient's individual platelets to fasten the relieving of wounded tendons, joints, muscles, and ligaments. Through this method, PRP injections use every sole patient's relieving system to enhance muscles and skeleton problems. How you can restore your hair with PRP therapy. A medical expert draws blood from a vein in the arm, then places a blood specimen in a centrifuge. The centrifuge rotates the blood, splitting up its elements. The medical expert draws out the platelets using a syringe, and the physician injects the platelets inside the aimed areas of the skull. The whole process may carry almost an hour, and various events may be required. Benefits of restoring your hair with PRP therapy. 1. PRP is injected into the scalp to reduce the swelling that can lead to hair loss. 2. The non-invasive strategy can drastically enlarge your hair development by energizing the fabrication of freshly developed hair cells. 3. PRP treatment can upgrade your self-confidence and appearance practically with no risks, making you look younger and healthier. 4. PRP therapy is a safe procedure. There is no danger of having allergic reactions because they use the body's cells. 5. The treatment does not include surgery. 6. You may start to see the results 3 months after the procedure. PRP injections activate average hair growth and keep it by increasing blood supply to the hair follicle and enlarging the thickness of the hair shaft. If you are looking for a way to restore your hair, PRP therapy may be the solution for you.